Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Keurig keeps shutting off when brewing, descale magnet sensor and auto off fix. So descale the Keurig, empty the water reservoir, then fill the reservoir with descaling solution and water. Then run several brew cycle without a K-cup. Then rinse the reservoir and run fresh water through the machine until the descaling solution is removed. Test the brewer again. Second fix is check the water reservoir magnet. Remove the water reservoir, then check if the small magnet inside the reservoir moves freely. Clean away any debris or minerals buildup around the magnet. Reinstall the reservoir securely. Try brewing a cup. Third fix is disable the auto off feature. Turn off the Keurig, then open the setting menu, find the auto off, turn auto off. Then brew a cup and see if the problem is fixed. Fourth one is reset the Keurig. Turn off the brewer, then unplug the power cord, wait for 5 minutes, then plug the brewer back in. Turn it on and test the brewer cycle. Thanks for watching.